Your Creator Tools. When you sign into your Creator account, you'll land on the Creator home, where you can check key stats, track your earnings, and interact with patrons in just a few clicks. As you can see, you've got new patrons. Congratulations! You can welcome all of them personally with a private message in just a few seconds right there on that home screen. Over here is where you manage all things patron-related. Benefits keeps track of all the things that your patrons look forward to every month. Relationship Manager is where you can see all of the details about your patrons. You can check how long someone has been a patron and see their entire pledge history, or you can message them individually or in groups, filter by tiers, and you can also download lists of patrons to send benefits to. This is your earnings dashboard, where you can watch your earnings grow over time. All you need to do is keep promoting your Patreon on your social channels, posting great content, and engaging with your patrons. On Patreon, you really own your relationship with your patrons and the content you share. We give you all these tools and everything you need to build a long-term, meaningful relationship with your patrons and to run your membership business in your unique way.